What's your name?
My name is Rihanna Manha.
Rihanna Manha. So your nickname is Rihanna.
Yes.
What class do you study?
I study in grade 5.
What's the name of your school?
My school's name is DPSST School, Dhaka.
Great. Where do you live?
I live in Uttara.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have a younger brother.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I do.
Sometimes.
Yes.
How do you spend your free time?
Mostly I watch TV or play games.
What is your favorite program on TV?
It's basically sometimes movies or series.
Do you read storybooks?
Yes, I do.
What types of books do you love to read?
I love to read horror types of books.
What thing do you like about your school?
I like the auditorium because it is very big and it is very decorative.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Fatima ma'am, who left the school a few weeks ago.
Why do you like her so much?
Because she was very friendly with us and she teaches us very well.
So you like friendly teachers, right?
Yes.
What types of dress do you like to wear?
I like to wear comfortable dresses.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.